I go through 30 minutes of why you should sign up for Artlist and get your music, walk through the site, all the features, why it's a good deal, and all of that. I'm not. Having said that, you should know for years I've used PremiumBeat.com for my music. I've tried a ton of other sites, and it's always something. Not enough music, they don't update their libraries, full access to everything with your subscription. Well, until they add a new category that you have to pay for and don't update the member library, or just fill it with crap, where all of a sudden, there comes those YouTube hits that I have to handle. Or they make me load up with credits, tell me at the end of the year that those credits I have on account, my money, does not roll over and they will be forfeited if I don't use them. True story that happened just last week. That's called theft, stealing my money. So, I stick with what works. When I get something that I like, works, fills my needs, and I never get a hit on my YouTube videos, commercials, or other works, then I'm paying the money for the tunes I want, so I don't have to worry about it or spend 10 times that much dealing with crap. Artlist reached out to me and tried to sell me on their music site. I sort of ignored them, as when something works, I have no reason to change anything. They persisted. I finally gave in and decided to check them out thoroughly. Here's what I found, and I am impressed. The price is subscription-based, meaning you don't get hit every time you download a song, meaning you can download as much as you want, and the price is quite reasonable. You want to download 1,000 songs? Go for it. You're covered. I checked with other YouTubers who have been using their music for quite some time and not a single hit on their videos. They update their library constantly and don't add special stuff with an additional cost. Their music is seriously high quality stuff, and they not only support their subscribers with service, but also the artists that supply them with the music, and for me, that's a thing.
All my friends are still talking about drugs, saying feels like heaven come and feel like us.
Finally, their site is tailored to you, so you can go find the right music for the right theme with the right instrument and the right genre with the right tempo and the right duration. Will I dump Premium Beat? Absolutely not. Will I add Artlist to my list of music resources? Absolutely.
Take my hand, I'm gonna walk you through a remedy. I'm gonna help you sleep tonight. Kind of fearsome, like a child without his dreams at night. I wanna help you dream tonight.
I don't like having one place that I depend on. Between these two music sites, I can't see how I could ever run out of getting the music I need.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about. Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Besides, I've been back and forth with them, and they just seem like good folks, and even gave me a link to share with you so you can get 2 months free with a subscription. Use the link, go check them out, and play with all the controls and cool ways they have to find exactly the music you need. The link is in the description below. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. How do I use music? I use it in the background of my videos, not only for a feel to the video, but it can cover up noisy environments. I use it for my commercial productions. I use it for my online university training. I use it for personal videos. I use it to spark ideas. I'll run through a bunch of music, and just the tempo and the genre itself makes me think about cool things I could do visually. Or I completely lose my mind and I do something like this.
I can see my name in lights, spark from the heart and it shines so bright. Yeah, let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I can see my name in lights, ball till I fall and I'm feeling alright. Yeah, so let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go, let's go.